Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove today, yesterday, last week, and last month groups in File Explorer. Right-click Group By, select None. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.